With centres across Ireland, your free hearing test is a click away. If you're suffering from premature hearing loss, the struggle could soon be over. Thanks to recent technological advances, hearing aids are not only more discreet, but more affordable than ever before. And now, with groundbreaking designs and world-class aftercare, there's no need to suffer in silence. Are you eligible? Click the button below to find out. The most common causes of hearing loss are age and exposure to prolonged periods of background noise. Hearing loss is a natural part of the aging process, but luckily there are some highly effective ways to counter it. You no longer need those chunky pieces of plastic that your grandparents might have worn. Hearing aids are now sleek and well designed and use modern digital technology. Many people significantly improve their lives with a hearing aid. It's now completely free to find out if you qualify. Click the button below to find out.